Hey, welcome back to Report Toaster Tutorials. This time we're going to talk a little bit about how we can filter report data. This might look familiar. This is the order data list report, and we're going to start by looking at how we can limit the date range. This one defaults to 30 days. We're going to take it down by one of our predefined date limiters. We're going to go 7 days. That should limit us here to a smaller subset of the data, but we want to get a little deeper. So we're going to go up here and start to filter a little bit. We're going to pick anything. I'm going to search for financial status. Let's pick anything that's partially refunded. That gets us down to 91 pages here of data. Let's add here and say financial status of partially refunded. And let's say that we had total sales on the order of greater than $100. Enter. That will give us, we're down to 17 pages of data, but we're not done looking. We're going to add an additional one. We're going to say, let's look at anything with a delivery method that begins with bikes. We're going to look for all the bike messenger deliveries. Hit enter, and there we go. We're down to 2 orders, exactly what we were looking for. So that was a pretty powerful ability to filter our data. To add to that power, we're going to have the ability to save these filters. So we might call this one bike refund. Save that. And from now on, if we add a filter, we can choose that predefined filter as a way to filter our data and then add it in with other filters on top of that. If we want to edit that filter, we come here, see what it was that we had chosen before, or delete that filter. So thanks again. Come back for our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. To watch more tutorials, you can go to reporttoaster.kb.help or visit our website at cloudlab.com.